on, man. Like, really?
With the HD a little bit because it's clearer than real life, so I try to like tone it down a little bit.
So you gave yourself like a little Instagram filter, like those Snapchat girls do.
Trees again. The cold.
Maybe even 6.
Yeah.
Last
Same.
weekend.
Same. Yeah.
So, I'm assuming the same.
We'll see. I mean, we're still a couple days off, so things can change.
Better get the milk and bread.
Block file.
Do the milk and bread show again.
It's funny though, because yesterday as we were at
New York, Boston, they're talking about maybe a foot.
yeah, because that's why there was
That,
1,500
you know, I got you on
standby
that,
ready to
Sam. Are
head to
you
Europe.
waiting?
The press reports that Ukraine's leader is seeking to reassure the nation that
You're in
it's
the fast lane.
not
Do you not know the gun?
I'm
going 70 miles an hour in
Israel
the
and receive a
60.
shipment of
How fast
American
do you
military
expect me to
equipment
go?
to shore up their defense.
I'm the stupid one.
Planning an assault,
I got you.
It has masked and Joe Biden said Russia, quote, continues to build forces along Ukraine's border, and an attack would be the largest invasion since World War II. He also added,
We have no intention of putting American forces or NATO forces in Ukraine.
yeah, so it's not in Ukraine because they are not a part of NATO, but to back other NATO forces. The Pentagon Press Secretary John Kirby
you doing? Stupid. You was already in the wrong lane. You shut the f, get your ass on, stupid ass. Cause first he jumped in front of me. Hey, okay, Gorman.
Right. I mean, where's the fun of forever anyway?